Hi, please welcome to another video. Today I'm here all day, every day, everything. Yeah, so this is the Volkswagen T-ROC mini SUV, or whatever you wanna call it, subcompact SUV. It has the traditional headlights. I'm sure they work, but they can't dim when there are upcoming cars in the opposite direction and stuff, you see. So let's see the price. The car is at around 525k kilometers, 47,671, 410 kilowatt, 1.4 TSI engine. So yeah, more than 100 kilowatts I see. So second hand, you see the patching has come off a bit. The paint work ish, those 47,000 kilometers, man, took a toll on this car, but it is half priced. So the safety features: park distance control, central locking, alarm, ABS. Comfort features: power steering, radio, Bluetooth. It is the petrol engine, this one. So let's see the inside. So here in the inside, it has 64,000 kilometers. Sorry. The Volkswagen steering wheel, DSG. For a second-hand car, it smells really nice. I don't know, maybe stay soft at the back or something. So the infotainment are almost 10-inch. As you can see, the dials are monologue. You can see them, they're not digital. You can control the cruise control over here. But cars, VW cars, as you can see inside, they are very much well put together. The seats, even though they are cloth seats, they are more than comfortable. Yeah, very much comfortable. Very comfortable. So let's see the back, and how it is put together. You have to use the key for this one. No push start engine, what, which is unfortunate for a VW car, but whatever. Let's go at the back. Yeah, let's go at the back. Electronic handbrake over here, as you can see. Let's go at the back. So here at the back, because of the dimmed windows, it is a dark, but it is light at the same time. Both is lively in here. So you can charge the device here, which is very nice. This is a very cool feature for this car. The seats are very much comfortable, enough knee room, headroom plenty, even though that I have extra heat, whatever. So yeah, inside the car, very much well put together. Even the middle seats is comfortable. No, it's not comfortable. It's just neutral. So let's see the back, and if the boot opens now. So the boot, it is also very much nice. 20,000 deal assistance. Nice. Everything is there, Jay. I'm sure you can fold the seats 60-40 if you want to put something, long items inside the car. There are hook points over there and over there again. So yeah, for a car of this segment, everything is well put together. You can't, even though you can't close the boot automatically, but whatever. It is a very much nice car. T-ROC. Ish. Technology. Yeah, so if you want more reviews about cars, used cars, new cars, please, begging you, please subscribe, Buffet too. Let's subscribe. Here's the Urban Cruiser. I will film this once you subscribe. Now I'm asking 800 subscribers for now, then we'll take it from there.